The next analysis that we're going to look as part of the RAP analysis is the school assessment versus examination mark. And what we want to be able to do here is we want to analyse the ranks that students were submitted for their assessments and whether they aligned with the ranks that they achieved on the HSC examination. So if we click onto this site, it automatically defaults to a certain subject. So I'm going to firstly remove Aboriginal Studies as a data set, and I'm going to select a subject from the 2015 cohort, and I select Ancient History. I'm going to add. Now, one of the things that we want to make sure is ticked is rank, and we want to make also sure that scatter is ticked. Now, what this tells us is on the left-hand side, we've got the examination mark, and there were 11 students within this subject. And we also, on the bottom there, have the school assessment rank. So what I can see here, if I start from the end here and I hover over this one here, this shows that in Ancient History, the student who was the 11th rank, so the last rank, also received the lowest mark within the HSC examination. If I go to the other end here, I can see that the student that was the number 1 rank received the second highest examination mark. And the student that received the second rank in the school assessment received the highest examination mark. You can see that there's a pretty good consistent trend with this subject. The only one that we can see that's a little bit out is the 8th student in terms of the assessment received the 10th examination mark. This is a really good piece of data analysis to look at whether the assessment ranks that we've assigned the students over our assessments match their performance in the HSC examination.